Ever looked at your mates, seen their fancy cars, designer threads, and thought, how the heck do they afford that? Chances are, they're probably not lottery winners or trust fund babies. More likely, they're smart with their money. And you know what one of the smartest things you can do? Invest. But where to start? Well, if you're like many Aussies, you might have heard of Raiz. But what about the people using it? How much do they typically have stashed away? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Raiz. Before we crack into the average balance, let's quickly recap what Raiz is. It's basically your chill, laid-back investing buddy. It's an app that lets you micro-invest your spare change. You know that $1.50 you didn't spend on a coffee? Raiz can round it up to $2 and invest that extra 50 cents. It's like accidentally getting richer. Pretty cool, huh? The all-important question. Now, the burning question, what's the average Raiz account balance? Unfortunately, Raiz doesn't release this information publicly. It's like their secret sauce or something. But don't worry, we can still get a pretty good idea. Factors affecting balance. A few things influence your Raiz balance. Time. The longer you've been investing, the more time your money has had to grow. Investment amount. Obviously, the more you put in, the higher your balance will be. Market performance. Your returns depend on how well the market performs. Real-world examples. Let's get real for a sec. While we can't give you a precise average, we can look at some realistic scenarios. The casual investor. This person might have started with small amounts, maybe $5 or $10 a week. After a couple of years, they could have a balance anywhere from a few hundred to a couple of $1,000s. The keen investor. This person is a bit more serious about growing their wealth. They might be investing $50 or more per week. After a few years, their balance could be anywhere from a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars. The super saver. This is the person who's really committed to their financial future. They're maxing out their contributions and maybe even topping up regularly. Their balance could be tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Remember, these are just estimates. Everyone's financial situation is different. Importance of starting early. One thing is clear, starting early is a game changer. Even small amounts invested over a long period can grow into a substantial sum thanks to compound interest. That's the magic of investing. Setting realistic goals. Don't get caught up in comparing your balance to others. Everyone's journey is unique. Focus on your financial goals and how Raiz can help you achieve them. Whether it's a house deposit, a holiday, or retirement, Raiz can be a valuable tool. Additional tips. Diversify. Spread your investments across different asset classes to manage risk. Dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. Check fees. Be aware of Raiz fees and how they impact your returns. Set and forget. Automate your investments for hassle-free saving. So, while we can't give you a definitive answer to the average Raiz balance, we can see that it depends on a variety of factors. The most important thing is to start investing, even if it's just a small amount. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, but how consistently you invest. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.